Hello everyone, today we will be covering the topic of the Master Module Facility Management Options and Considerations. Facility management in Sipsnitya refers to the management of school facilities, which can include common facilities such as a coffee vending machine or a library. Such facilities can be monitored using the facility management system. Additionally, Sipsnitya provides another facility management option for public facilities such as a swimming pool or indoor stadium where the school allows outsiders to play tennis or swim. These facilities can also be monitored by the maintenance manager. Let's begin by clicking on the Master module and selecting Facility Management. Then click on Facility Details to access the dashboard, and select the Add New button to enter the facility name and enter the required details. You can also attach documents, select a snap, and we can also configure latitude and longitude to monitor the position of the facility on the campus. Enter status into active and finally, click Save. To add a new facility action, click on Back to List and then click on Facility Actions. Click on the Add New button and enter the required action details. By tagging facilities geographically or using GPS tracking, the maintenance manager can easily monitor the facilities when performing maintenance tasks. If the manager assigns tasks, they can update them using the FMS Updates section in the Teacher module. Click on Add New, mention the facility name, enter the date and time, and update the action, such as cleaning, repairing, checking, or painting. Select the action according to the requirement. Then, select the staff to whom the task has to be assigned and save it. In conclusion, we hope this video has given you a better insight into facility management in Sipsnitya.